In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change shop name on Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Maps on your browser by going to maps.google.com or launch your Google Maps app on your device. Now use the search bar to look for the shop, office, restaurant or business name, the one you want to update. Once your business shows up, click on it. On the left hand side or the bottom of the mobile, you'll see business details like address, hours and more. Scroll down until you find the option Suggest and Edit. Click on it. Now tap on Change Name or Other Details. Here you can enter the new shop name you want to use. Make sure it's correct and professional. After entering the new name, scroll down and click Submit. Google will review your suggestion. If you are the business owner and your shop is claimed under your Google account, you'll be notified and can approve the change faster, and that's it. You have successfully suggested a name change for your shop on Google Maps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.